Question number 4. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by any algebraic method. So let's see. First part. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 rupees as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So let's see the solution of this problem. Now we have given two students, student first and student second. First one is A and second one is B. Okay, this one. So student A is paying 1000 rupees for 20 days and hostel charge. We are considering that the fixed charge is X and charge for food per day is Y. Okay, so considering this condition, for student A, she paid for 20 days, so fixed charge will be remaining the same, that one is X, but charge of food would be changed according to her days. So she is paying for 20 days, so 20 into Y, that one is equals to 1000. Okay, similarly student B who is paying for food for 26 days, okay, and fixed charge is same, that one is X plus 26 Y, and she is paying 1180 rupees. Clear? This one is the fixed charge. Now we have to calculate the value of X and Y. So this one is the given equation first and equation second. Now what we'll do, we'll subtract this equation. We are going to subtract, so we'll get this one cancel out, and this one will be minus 6y is equals to minus 180 rupees. Okay, or after simplifying this, we'll get the value of y. Let's see. Y will be equals to 180 upon 6, will get 30. So y is equals to 30 rupees. Clear? Now we will put this value of y in equation number first, so we'll get the value of x. Let's see how to calculate. As you can see, we calculated the value of y, that one is 30 rupees, and we are going to replace this in equation number first. Okay, so equation number first is this one. So the calculation for this part is x into 20 into y. Y is 30 rupees, that one is equals to 1000, or x equals to 1000 minus 600. So we can say the value of x would be 400. Okay, so value of x would be 400 rupees. So let's see the value of x. You can see we got x equals to 400 and y equals to 30. So fixed charge, that one is x, is 400 rupees, and charge per day for food is 30 rupees. Clear?